Chloe. Looks like a penguin. Put it back. I don't think it'll go back. Oh! Oh. Just let it go. See what happens. See if it'll explode.
I smell it. Do you smell it?
It's 5 seconds left.
Oh my god, it's smoking. It's smoking.
Now you can't see the smoke.